are trying their famous Korean fried chicken burger, and look at the size of it. Man, this thing's scaring me at something. I mean, this thing is like a T-bone steak of chicken. It's massive. Look at it. It's half sticking out the bun. Let's try it. That's so good. It has like this sweet chili sauce. Super crunchy batter. This is like the Korean style of KFC. It's so good. Actually, it's the Korean style, flavor style of KFC. And now, something sweet just to finish it off. A lovely warm cinnamon donut, caramel sauce with their vanilla bean ice cream. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about, baby. I'm gonna pop. But I can't stop because it tastes so good. So don't forget, down at Casey's, deep fried chicken with Korean flavors. So good. Ciao.